Alright, this looks like a section wood duck hideaway. Alright, wood duck hideaway. Alright. I like this. Nice little crossing here. You got a couple of options. Yeah, this is the kind of spot you want to be able to spend all day on. I'm definitely feeling this one. Now the only thing is, I don't know if I'm going in the right direction. Now that was fun. Like riding a roller coaster. Woo! Yeah, buddy. Oh yeah, check this out. Now tell me this isn't a blast to watch. Now all I need you guys to do is just come to CycleMax, come see Vince, and we're going to get you on something that's fun. Because I'm telling you what, this is a blast right here. Now for those that just tuned in, I'm on a 2012 Honda Rancher 420 power steering, foot shift. Just my preference. You don't always have to have power steering. And it's outfitted with snorkel winch, radio, black diamond tires, no lift kit, 26-inch tires, all-terrain. And this is why I like all-terrain. Because I like mud too, but I want to be able to do this. Oh yeah. this right here might have been the funnest part of the whole trip. Oh yeah. Let's see. Did I go this way already? And I get to go back through it? Yep. Yep. Whoop-de-doo, whoop-de-doo. Yeah, the sport quad guys would love this part. Of course, it'd help to know if I'm going in the right direction. It's the only thing. It's got a couple of blind curves, so you kind of got to take it easy around the curves. Make sure there's nobody coming. Gives you enough time to react. Yeah, I'm liking this. Woohoo! Alright, that was a little sand fun.